I'm going to show you how to self-check-in on Airbnb in just a few steps. So if you find this helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video for more. So basically, self-check-in means that the guest, so you, can access a place or a home without needing the host to be there. This is very comfortable because you won't need anyone to be in the home, and you will be able to basically check in by yourself and enter the home or apartment you booked by yourself. So to do this, what you need to do is search the filters right here, and you will see this filter to self-check-in, or you can also scroll down and you will also see it right here. So this will filter only by places that allow self-check-in. So all those apartments and houses will allow you to access the home without needing the host to be there. So they might use different methods. So for example, a key lockbox, a smart locks, a keypad, or a building staff, for example, that is available 24/7. So that way you will be able to check in by yourself on Airbnb. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.